Instead of looking at a product solution for long-term care, let's look at what they already have and just help them be more efficient with which assets they spend for that event. A lot of times what I saw was that people were in long-term care settings. They were in a nursing home. Let's say they're spending $80,000 a year on their care, and they get a statement from the facility saying this is a medically necessary expense. So that's over the 10% of adjusted gross income. So they can use that as a deduction. And then a lot of times those folks would only have, 40, 50, $60,000 worth of income. They're dipping into their assets, using those to supplement the income. And it was just, there were so many times when I would get into a competitive situation. I'm usually working with the kids because mom or dad are in the facility, and they've got an existing broker, and the broker is telling them, well, just take the money to pay for your long-term care expenses from here. Just take the money out of your savings account, because you don't want to take it out of your traditional retirement accounts because you'd pay taxes. Okay, that's what they were being told. And when I looked at their tax return, I saw that they hadn't paid taxes in the last 5 or 6 years. And they were actually leaving behind about 40 to 50 to sometimes $60,000 worth of tax deductions because of all those medical expenses of the long-term care facility. So I won a lot of cases and moved a lot of money over to me when I just showed them which assets to use to pay for those long-term care expenses when they got there. All right. And it was the idea of let's maximize our tax deductions and use those to offset the recognized taxable income we will get out of our traditional retirement accounts. Again, I'm not a CPA. I'm not giving you tax advice. I'm not an attorney. I'm not giving you legal advice. All I can tell you is that this worked. This is true. I had a mother who was in a facility. We drained her traditional IRA, which had like $180,000 in it. We drained it in 3 years and she paid zero tax.